Welcome back everyone to the Collector Channel. Today I'll be opening up this 2019 Panini Contenders football box. Has one autograph and two memorabilia cards on average per box. And it looks like there's 8 cards per pack and 14 packs per box. Get all the packs out here. I'll move all these aside. Start with our first pack. It's a nice Tyreek Hill, Todd Gurley, and Amari Cooper. Alright, on to our second pack. Baker Mayfield right on the top there. Cam Newton, Darius Leonard, George Kittle, Riley Ridley, Evan Ingram, and there's Edelman, that's a cool card, and Duke Johnson Jr. So we got Von Miller on top, Zay Jones, Kirk Cousins, Roethlisberger, and who do we have? Oh, we got Carson Wentz. Nice MVP Contenders card there. Bobby Wagner, Keenan Allen, and Kenyon Drake. And on to our next pack. Here we got Garoppolo, cool card. Joe Flacco, Josh Allen, Le'Veon Bell, Cohen, Marcus Mariota, and this here. And this is the code card. You guys can use the access code. Feel free to use it. And on top we have Drew Brees, Hopkins, Alshon Jeffrey, Ingram, and it looks like Blair and Metcalf, Adam Thielen, Michael Thomas, Dante Pettis, so no autograph yet, nor any patch cards yet. Hopefully we'll get some of those soon. There's Eli Manning, Tom Brady, and Aaron Jones. So definitely should be getting some packs here soon that have some autographs or patch cards in it. Ezekiel Elliott, Carson Wentz, Lamar Jackson, Stafford. That's a cool Tom Brady card. I'll set that one aside. It's neat. And Mahomes. Reggie White, that's a cool card. Nice throwback card of Reggie White. Goff, Prescott, and the code card. This pack feels pretty thick. I'm guessing this one might be the patch card. Could be wrong though. Nope, looks like we got a patch in there. And it's Riley Ridley. Cool card. Another Metcalf card. Odell Beckham Jr., Lamar Jackson, AJ Green, there's Cam Newton, Parker, Aaron Rodgers, and Dalton. Julio Jones. All right, now for our last pack. Adrian Peterson, Matt Ryan, and we got Josh Jacobs, rookie jersey card. And that is it. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time.